Here we go, here we go. 2014 Ford Econoline extended handicap wheelchair conversion van with 21,000 original miles. High top, power side entry doors, Ricon, 600-pound wheelchair lift, expanded door entry on the side, Avenger conversion, leather, loaded, one-of-a-kind van. There's not another one like it in the USA. You know where to find us. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. 46 years in business. Give us a call. Give us a like. Give us a follow. When we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're going to give away another wheelchair van. Look at this thing. Black, two-tone gray leather inside, TV, entertainment system. Gorgeous. Laser straight down the sides. Super, super nice. 21,000 miles. Southern van. Rust-free all the way. I'll give you the full tour, show you how everything works. It's a fully wireless system as well. It does have a lowered floor in the center. Rear power folding bench seat bed. All your limo lighting throughout. Beautiful van. As you can see, the roof has nice paint. There is some blemishes in the paint. It's not faded or peeling, just some blemishes from normal wear and tear, but that's it. On the roof only. That's it, just normal wear and tear. Nothing crazy. Not something you need to repaint, but super, super nice van. Look at that, beautiful paint. It's beautiful, clean Carfax, clean title, no stories, original 20,000 mile van. Look at that, laser straight down the sides. Want to see something? Look at that frame. I mean, it's mint shape. Look at these tires. A lot of tread. Super, super nice. Look at that. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. There's really nothing to point out on the exterior. Like I said, a couple of bug chips and stuff in the high roof, but that's it. It is in good shape. Everything is fully operating, functional on this van. It's really, really nice. Check that out. Lowered floor, expanded side entry doors, and it's a fully extended van. Look at that, hardcore rubber floor, Q-string tie-down system, fully wireless. You got your pendant here as well. Look at that, two-tone leather. Look how much room you got between the bed and the front of the lowered floor. I mean, it's awesome. Gorgeous. LED lighting, TV, DVD, double sound system. It's got all your headsets, comes with all the original paperwork. Everything is here. I'm going to show you everything. Dual air, everything's working. All the wood grain is in excellent shape. Q-string tie-down system in the floor. Got your extra seat belt here. Look at the massive amount of room to that bed. So you can lay this out totally. It goes forward and back as well. And then you can lay it out. So much room in this van. Awesome van for traveling. Bed goes back and forth, front to back. Look at that. In here, got all your remotes. This in here is all the original documents from when the van was built. Super, super nice, clean van. It does have a dual battery system with a transfer switch. Awesome. Two-tone gray leather interior, wood grain, dual air. The air is on. It's ice cold right now. You got lift controls here. They do work. The emergency brake does need to be on to operate the lift and the equipment. 21,314 miles. That might change from demonstrating, but it's right around that number. Awesome, awesome van. Look at the seats. The carpet is immaculate. No stains. I mean, it's nice. There's a little bit of discoloring here on this piece that goes above the window. It's just trim, but overall it is excellent shape. This van is a 9.5 out of 10 all the way. No rust anywhere. All of the fittings and all the connections are in excellent shape. Not a drop of rust. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. It's a Ricon private slide away lift, and it is 600-pound capacity. You're not gonna find another one like this. Nobody has it. We do. We specialize in these impossible to find vans. Does have this dual battery setup, and it also has dual onboard chargers. This thing is rad. Got all your window shades. Everything's in excellent shape. You can see the power bed is working perfectly. This is an E250 extended. Look at this gorgeous van. Fully wireless system. I got 2 key fobs, 2 remotes. This thing's ready to rock and roll. I'm using the remote to operate. You can also use the controls inside the van. No issues, no worries. This thing's awesome. As you can see, everything's functioning and operating the way it's supposed to. Give us a call, shoot us a text, give us a like, give us a follow. Please follow us on all the platforms. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You know where to find us. Twitter. We've been in business 46 years. This is what we do. We have financing available. We do accept all types of trade-ins. Look at these gorgeous seats. It's got all the stickers. Comes with all the manuals. I mean, there is nothing left out on this van at all. Super, super nice. Look at that. No rust under the hood. Gorgeous. Has an onboard charger already, which is very important on these handicap vans. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Thank you.